Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a brightness problem in all windows. So how can adjust screen brightness in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, and after doing this step, first of all select a display adapter and select it right click and click on a disable. After disable the driver, once again click on disable, click yes to continue, and after doing this step right click on enable the device. Okay guys, after doing this step, close it. And after doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your device manager, open device manager. After doing this step, select a display adapter, select a graphic driver, right click on a update driver, click on search automatic from drivers. After that, close it and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager and open device manager. After doing this step, select a monitors and expand it and select a monitor. After doing this step, right click on a disable device. Click yes to continue. After doing this step, once again enable the device. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box, open a device manager. And after doing this set, go to your monitors, select it, right click on update driver, click on search automatic from driver, click on search for update driver on Windows Update. If any updates is available, then download and install in your PC. So, close it. And after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.